Bitcoin have finally reached our target of $120,000. As you can see, I'm super happy about the long we literally took from the bottom. As you can see, we bottomed or we longed the bottom at 109. As you can see, right now my long position is literally at some nice profits. As you can see over a week, so I'm gonna talk about how we predicted this move, guys, since we had bottomed or longed Bitcoin at 109, and also after since or ever since we have finally broken out of 112.5. I've been making it very clear, guys, over on my channel that I'm super bullish right now on Bitcoin. I'm actually right now targeting $120,000. This is what I've been saying or was saying actually since I saw the break of $112,000. I told you guys that technically since breaking 112, the technical target of us reclaiming the volume profile, as you can see, if I go to the higher time frame, if I go to the 4-hourly time frame and actually take a look at the exact same most boring volume profile pull that I've been taking or looking at, especially since the beginning of July, as you can see, since breaking out of $110,000, as you can see, 110. As you can see, basically, Bitcoin reclaiming $112,000 is us actually going above the value area low, as you can see, which is sitting at $112,600. And as soon as I saw the break of the value area low, this blue line, as you can see, I've been saying, guys, that technically the technical target, over on Bitcoin, that once we break 112.6, I'm waiting for much higher prices. The technical target is $120,000. So hopefully everyone that have been following the channel not only was able or should have been able to long the bottom. However, that was a bit of a hard trade. However, the easiest trade that everybody should have gotten into is us breaking 112.5, because ever since we broken out of 112, I've been making it very, very clear that, guys, yeah, I'm holding onto my longs. I'm looking for much higher on Bitcoin. I'm going to long more Bitcoin and also more Ethereum and also Solana. So I'm super happy about us literally about to break in a matter of seconds. I think we haven't yet broken out of $120,000 right now. As you can see right now, we are literally about to break $120,000 as we are filming this video right now. So let me right now tell you guys, what am I expecting next over on Bitcoin, and am I still bullish over on Bitcoin, and will I actually close my long position as or since we have actually followed or gotten the target we have been waiting for. So let's get right into the TA. So right now I'm super happy about breaking and hitting $120,000, and I see this as the most important reactionary target, to be honest, because $120,000 is always or has been always the most important liquidity grab area. So we must see how Bitcoin actually reacts at this level once breaking it. If we see a fake out at the highs and then a reclaim, or sorry, a downward move to back down to 119, maybe we could be wary of some pullback to the downside, as you can see. However, the most important thing that Bitcoin should right now hold on to before, or even if it drops a bit, the most important line I'm going to talk about is using the most or the same, volume profile pull from 110, from ever since I think of the 19th of July to the current price action. We need to hold this area, as you can see. If the volume profile loads, as you can see, the highest traded volume area is literally sitting in the past 3 months is sitting at I think 117.8 till I think 118.7. So we've got this massive area of support right now since we have broken out of it. Last time, or last 2 times actually, we've been able, or we failed to we haven't been able to break 117, 118. As you can see, first time we actually saw a downward move to 107. Second time we have hit it, I think in mid-September, we also saw this downward move. So right now the best thing is not only are we hitting 120 is nice. However, the most important thing to me actually is us reclaiming this point of control, this highest traded volume area right now. So the thing is to look at now is how Bitcoin reacts at 120. If we break 120, then it's gonna be immediately a new all-time high on Bitcoin. I'm going to be expecting an all-time high if we hold on to 120. However, say we get a pullback once we fake out 120, this could be actually something that's very, very reasonable, and that's something that we shouldn't be worried actually about. The most important thing is, even if we get a pullback from us faking out $120,000, the most important thing is us holding 117.6, as you can see, the most area that was actually a major resistance line, us holding on to it. Even if you pull back, then that's actually something bullish. So right now I'm super bullish and happy about Bitcoin. I haven't yet taken any profits out of my long, as you can see, long the bottom, and been sharing my ideas and also how I'm trading this, or how I'm managing this trade every single day, guys, over in China. So make sure to subscribe, because we are posting literally the best trade setups right now, daily TA over on Bitcoin and Ethereum. Because also Ethereum, I told you guys that once we had reclaimed 4300, that I'm super flipping bullish right now over on Ethereum. Yes, it was actually something that is bearish that we have left or lost 4300. However, since we had reclaimed it, I've been super bullish, and this is what I've said literally in my past videos. So you should have gotten at least a 3% move right now since the break out of this point of control. And I also shared over on my free Telegram a nice trade for Aster, so make sure to also be following me. The second link in my description, where I've got my free Telegram channel. I've been trying to post as many setups as possible over on that channel. I also send some notification whenever I send or make a video. I'm also probably going to start going live soon over in this channel, because I've got an Arabic channel where I literally, guys, go live every single day during Monday to Friday during weekdays. So if you're interested in me starting doing the same on our English channel, make sure to comment down below. So probably gonna also be doing that thing, or live streaming an hour of me trading, and also doing TA live over on YouTube. If you're interested, this is my Arabic channel. I'm also interested in doing the same for our new current Champs Crypto English channel. Thanks for watching, guys.